Welcome to our channel where we simplify your financial journey, starting with how to apply for a credit card, online step by step. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your financial journey, starting with how to apply for a credit card, online step by step. Applying for a credit card online can seem intimidating, but breaking down the process into clear steps makes it straightforward and manageable. Let's dive into each stage to help you get your card approved without hassle. First, assess your credit score because it plays a crucial role in the approval process and the type of card you may qualify for. You can check your score through free online services or your bank's website. Knowing your credit score helps you select the best credit card offers suitable for your financial status. Next, research various credit card options focusing on interest rates, annual fees, rewards, and benefits such as cashback or travel points. Websites dedicated to comparisons can be invaluable in highlighting which cards align best with your spending habits and needs. Once you've chosen a card, visit the official website to start your online application. Prepare essential documents like your identification, proof of income, address proof, and social security number or equivalent security information. Filling out the application form accurately is vital. Enter your personal details such as name, date of birth, and contact information, as well as financial details including your employment status and monthly income. After submitting the application, some banks offer instant approvals, while others may require additional documents or verification, steps such as a phone call or email confirmation. Be ready to provide these quickly to speed up the process. When approved, review the terms and conditions carefully before accepting your credit card. Look out for interest rates, billing cycles, and any fees to avoid surprises. Once you receive your credit card, activate it following the instructions provided either online or by phone. Finally, start using your card wisely, keeping track of your spending and making payments on time to build your credit health positively. Following these easy steps will make your online application experience smooth and successful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more practical financial tips and guides that simplify your money management.